Check the shirt. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, if y'all like the shirt, man, shirt made by Ugly Fine, man. Hey, go ahead and get you one. But it's your boy Slick Fresh, and you already know we coming back with the heat. Hey, about to jump right into this thing, man. Already. But this cop right here, definitely had to wait on it for a little hot minute. But at the same time, it's worth the wait. I thought these was exclusive, for sure. You already know the PG Gatorade, you know, yeah, nice little cup, man. They actually dropping quite a little few of these, but you know, boy, before we even get started, we got the, yeah, you see the size. Definitely popping. And we just gotta keep it coming, man. And I'm just trying to switch it up and be different. So right now I'm about to hit you with the new cop, and we got the late cop right here. But definitely I thought these was a nice little cop. These were the Pg4, you know, the white GX. These is popping in colors, man. So go ahead and just take these out the box. Hey, let me know what y'all think, man, in the comments for sure. Make sure y'all banging that subscription, man. If y'all trying to just, hey, stay updated with some exclusive heat, you know what I'm saying? But these definitely, let me just go ahead. Hey, let me know what y'all think of these things, man. A lot of colors, man. A lot of colors on that thing. The first thing I noticed was just, you know, the zipper on the front for sure. And you already see the zipper, it got the orange in it. But you got, you know, some hints of green, black, man, white, all over. Majority of the shoe is just busting in color, man. But let's take down that zipper. Let's see what they're working with. Okay. Take that one down too. Okay, so they got the, you know, the orange laces in this thing too. You see what it do at the orange laces. And you got the Gatorade sign on the front. So definitely a lot going on the shoe already, bro. Look at that. Got the green kind of like underneath. Like, it's almost like the zipper, like this part, like creates almost like a skin for that, you know, front part of the shoe. But definitely, and then you got your hint of, you know, that lime color again. Man, lots of colors on the bottoms. You see the bottoms, lots of colors. And then I think one thing that stuck out even more to me is because you got the signature from your boy on the back of them things. So, hey man, just let me know what y'all thinking of these, but definitely a lot going on with the shoe, man. And you see the size, so they're not for me. Not really sure what they doing, you know, after, like as far as like the retail value after, you know, buying them, but hopefully, hey, we see what it do, but definitely a nice shoe, man. Let me know what y'all think. Now we just jumping right back. Like I said, we got the new cop and the late cop. And I think this is like my favorite part because I've been waiting on these forever. Not like waiting on them in the mail forever, but just like, it took me a long time to, you know, it took me a long time to actually go and buy these. The box, it looks like one of my Savins boxes, you know what I'm saying? But it's not, but you already know. Go ahead and put the, it's my size. I don't know, what's this say? Connecticut custom clothing. Ha 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 ha, that's what's up. I'll let him get some shine. You see him, he might have had this shoe prior to me, but yeah, I'm gonna have to check that out though. Connecticut custom clothing, check that out. for sure. But I've been waiting on these, man. Oh my. Hey, the Retro 2 lows, you already know, man. Retro 2 lows, all red. I haven't seen anyone with these, but I just had my eye on them. They used to like, I used to look everywhere and I couldn't find them, but you know, finally, you know, after waiting some time, I got them. You know where I got them. You already know where I got them. Oh yeah. GOAT, but man, these busting, and you can tell they dead stock. You can look at the inside, you got the 12, they not worn down, anything. Clean cop, man. All red. Retro 2 lows. Everywhere except the bottom, you know, you got that at the bottom, but other than that, you know, and the inside is all red. I'm loving these for sure. Hey, let me know what y'all think. Hey, and if y'all think I should do more new cop, late cop, hey, just let me know in the comments and bang that subscription and the notification bell, because you know, recently your boy Slick Fresh been keeping it coming and we're gonna keep it that way. Hey, we out of here.